ignorant minds are free 'em. If you tired of the same old every day, you will agree 'em. The most obligated, hard and R-rated, slated to be the best. I must confess the star made it. Somebody even say the song is sexist, cause I ask the girls to rub on the breasts. Whether you're riding a train or a Lexus, this is for either or rollies or Timexes. It's wicked like Exorcist, this is the joint. You holding up the wall and you're missing the point.